Welcome, lovers of food and life. This is a channel dedicated to all things food and travel. So I have a throwback recipe for you today, and these are roasted chickpeas. Enjoy! Okay, so today we're creating spicy roast chickpeas, an incredibly moreish and delicious snack. And for this we will need canned chickpeas, black pepper, olive oil, the zest and juice of 1 lemon, smoked paprika. Now I love this stuff, it's amazing. Ground cumin, sea salt, and fresh thyme. Okay, so let's turn our oven up. And once our chickpeas have drained, we're going to line a bowl with some kitchen paper and add the chickpeas so they can drain further. Now, one of the things I like to do is line roasting trays with greaseproof paper, which I've done here. And if the lack of straight lines was bothering you there you go, all sorted. Okay, so you need to add some salt to our chickpeas, then place them onto our roasting tray and drizzle with olive oil. You'll need a little bit of olive oil to get those to crisp up in the oven. So once we add those to the oven, we're then going to zest our lemon, and be sure to use unwaxed lemons when you're doing this, and your zest will look something like this. Next step is to remove the thyme leaves from the stalk, and to do that you want to just make sure the thyme leaves are facing upwards, and then you run your thumb and fingers down the stalk and that should remove all the leaves. At this stage our chickpeas look like so. So we want to take those out of the oven and add them to a bowl with our fresh thyme, and you can then get rid of any excess oil on your tray. Add a generous amount of black pepper, your smoked paprika, cumin, and then give that a stir to make sure everything is well mixed. At this stage you'll notice the wonderful flavours of the cumin and smoked paprika coming together. Next we add our lemon zest, the lemon juice, and then give that one last stir to make sure everything is well mixed, and pop that back in the oven. And there we have it, your spicy roast chickpeas. Just top that off with some more lemon zest and fresh thyme and you're all done. So there we have it, spicy roast chickpeas, a wonderful snack to enjoy any time of the day. Give it a try, let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon.